Limang maling akala sa life insurance. Number 1, mahal ang life insurance. Alam mo ba na for as low as 100 pesos a day, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng life insurance coverage na approximately around 2 million pesos more or less. Number 2, forever kong babayaran. We have plans na around 5, 10, or 15 years mo lang babayaran pero covered ka na until you're 100 years old. Number 3, bata pa ako at healthy living naman. Kapag mas bata mo siya kinuha, mas mataas ang chance na ma-approve ka at lower ang monthly payments na babayaran. Kahit healthy living tayo, hindi natin maiiwasan ang accidents at mga hereditary na sakit tulad ng stroke or diabetes. Hindi ako magbe-benefit dyan habang nabubuhay pa ako. Bukod sa death benefit, may tinatawag din tayong living benefit na makiklaim mo just in case ma-surgery ka or ma-accident, ma-permanent or ma-temporary disable na around more or less 1 million pesos, depende sa age mo. And number 5, scam yan. ProLife UK has been in business for more than 170 plus years. You can check our website, and you could also monitor your policy online or through the app. If you'd like us to discuss your financial goals so we can make a suitable plan for you, or we can conduct a financial seminar at your workplace, comment below or message me for a Zoom or face-to-face discussion.